In today's exercise, I'm going to demonstrate how to do a lateral lunge with a slider. This is a great exercise that activates the inner part of the thighs, hamstrings, glute, and also quads, okay? So the only thing you need first is a slider like this. And you want to make sure when it comes to the ground, you're either on artificial turf like this or a carpet. It's the only way you're going to be able to do the exercise appropriately. Now in this video, I'm going to show you different variations of this exercise as well, just in case you don't have a slider. Now, when it comes to the starting position, you want to go ahead, place one foot onto the slider, have one heel up, roll the shoulders back, having a strong chest. And now when you come down, you want to push the butt out and hinge at the hips, keeping a strong back and straight back like this. So as you can see, I'm going as low as I can, and I'm keeping this leg that's sliding out fully extended. And when I'm sliding out, I'm making sure my foot's not going out or to different directions, more linear, okay? I'm keeping it straight, going straight and laterally, okay? So just like this. I want to go ahead and show it from the side so you can see my position. All right. Now, if this exercise is too hard and it's too difficult, right, you could always use like a bar, okay? So this is like a regression of the actual exercise. Now you could use the bar and do the same thing, and this could be used as an assistance to help you get up, okay? So like I'm going to show you right now, same thing. Just like that, all right? Now, if you still can't do the exercise and it's still too hard, then I really suggest to do the exercise without the slider. Now, this will be just a regular lateral lunge. Now, when it comes to that, you could do it alternating or side by side. Either or is totally up to you, but I'm going to show you the alternating version first. I like putting my hands on my hips for this one. So you just come out, just like that. And as you see, I'm pushing the chest up, keeping it strong back. All right? Really hinging at the waist and going as low as I can. All right? Or like I said, you can go one side, okay? So if I'm going out, you can do that as well, okay? This is how you do a lateral lunge with a slider.